What's good, guys? Big welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to slap that subscribe button. So we're going to look at the Thug Life token pre-sale today, but first, struggling Bitcoin miners wary of the token big halving event coming up in April 2024. So we're going to see Bitcoin halve very shortly, just 9 months away, and we should all be prepared for this. You should all have it in your calendars, and you should all do a bit of research on the historical market cycles and what has happened prior to this with other Bitcoin halving events and why it's such an important key and also kind of historical event in the crypto space. But we can see Bitcoin miners brace for 50% cut to token rewards next year. Miners are also battling rising electricity costs and debt payments at the same time. Scrolling down here, we can see the next halving slated for April 2024 will cut miner rewards to 3.125 Bitcoin per block, or 94.4k from the current 6.25 or $188,000. The scarce supply is seen by crypto proponents as helping to maintain Bitcoin's value in the long run. So this is all about scarcity. Think of commodities like gold. We don't know how much exists. However, with Bitcoin, we know there is a limited supply. We know how much is circulating on the blockchain, and that's what makes it so beautiful. So the coin we're looking at is Thug Life token. I have now bought a big chunk of these coins, as you can see right there. I got 10.6 million Thug tokens, which is around 7.5k, I think it was. So I've chosen to get into this particular project right here. Of course, you don't have to copy me. Do your own research. And remember, this is absolutely not financial advice, but the Thug movement is a big one for me. And I think kind of piggybacking and blending into the meme coin market and trends at the moment, this coin could potentially do some big things in the market. So it says here, I didn't choose the Thug Life. The Thug Life chose me. There's just 7 days remaining of this coin, guys. $741,000 has been raised for this token, and they strive to raise $2 million during this very short time, and they are selling pretty quick. Did a bit of research as well. Recently, they are on a bunch of different websites, such as the Dex Screener right here. I'm going to show you on Dex Screener. They're doing advertising straight at the top of the screen, which is of course really important, because not only does it show they've got cash reserves to advertise, but they're targeting those DeFi degens. They're getting a lot of community hype out of it as well. So it's really good to see them actually market the coin nicely. Thug Life token, the pre-sale right here, they've got 3,601 followers, and we can see they are organically posting more and more, trying to form a community to get more and more people into the coin, so we can see potentially a big launch once it does reach that decentralized exchange, and also the centralized exchange as well. And I'm going to show you something very interesting. You might remember the SpongeBob token just from a few weeks ago, which did literally 100x around the start of May, and it was crazy. Like, it did some insane stuff. And guess what? You probably guessed it already, but Thug Life token is the exact same team as the Sponge token, people. So this is why I've got such huge expectations for a coin, because of who it is being marketed by at the same time. So scrolling down a little bit, we can see tokenomically on the ERC20 network of 4.2 billion tokens right there. 70% are sold in the pre-sale, with 2.94 billion available, and there's also $200,000 worth of Ethereum available and ready immediately for the LP lock, the liquidity pool lock, which will be 3 months, as you can see right here. Looking at the roadmap, they want to get $100 million market capital. There's going to be a Thug burn on any sort of unsold tokens, I imagine. They'll go straight to a wallet where you cannot withdraw from. And looking here, we've got the centralized exchange and a centralized exchange launch right there. So airdrop campaign, giveaways, centralized exchange listing, a lot of juicy stuff for this particular coin right now. But yeah, keep your eyes peeled on it. Make sure you do a bit of research. Click the link down below, and literally just sitting on their Twitter page right now, we can see the followers are actually going up. They've already just gone up by 2 in this particular video right here. Meme coins are still a massive trend in the market, and they're moving quite strong at the moment. Overall, $15.6 billion market capital for the meme coin sector, which is of course really nice to see as well. And just clicking here, we can see a lot of coins pumping at the moment, which is very important. Now, one thing to consider is if you are new to this space, we do look at a lot of stealth launches. We recently looked at the wrapped XRP, and we made a call down here just yesterday, and it did a 300% increase in price since. I'm going to show you right here where we put them in the VIP zone, where we put the calls here. So the wrapped XRP coin did a 300% increase after we looked at posted it on the Discord as well as the VIP chat. And if you also want to get into some trading signals, we are one of the fastest growing crypto communities out there. So make sure you click on the Discord down below, check out the Patreon link whilst you're at it. Also do a bit of research on the Thug Life token if you wish. But remember, rule number one, do not risk more than you can afford to lose. And this is absolutely not financial advice. But at least get yourself in the Discord. I mean, we have the free version anyway, so if you just want to hang out for free, that's absolutely fine. And the costs are extremely low in contrast to other servers out there anyway. So we like to sort of tailor our costs to the entire globe and not just, you know, citizens of the UK or America. So that's one thing that we always keep in mind. Thug Life token also advertising on a lot of flagship news sites here. We can see Beating Crypto, they're actually got a headline here: new meme coin Thug Life blasts past $600,000 in a week. 9 days left of the pre-sale. So now we're just seeing 7 days left of the pre-sale. Remember, I've got a link down below for you to do a bit of research on. Check out the coin in your spare time. They do have a white paper as well, and it's always important to do your own due diligence, go through the white paper yourself, and really understand what the project entails and everything that, you know, is available on the Etherscan on the blockchain for you. So the contract address isn't yet there and available to see publicly, but we're going to have it soon. And I think this could be quite an interesting one. So fingers crossed we'll see something big. It says here, to increase scarcity and enhance the value of Thug tokens, we'll implement periodic Thug burns. Our aim is to grow the market cap to $100 million, which is pretty huge, to be honest. Conclusion, are you ready to conquer a new turf with the Thug crew? So obviously there's a lot of hype around this coin right now, and the developers feel pretty bullish on their own token, which is quite natural, of course. But the fact it is Sponge related and the same team makes me feel very, very hyped as well. So if you're new to the channel, slap that subscribe, like, comment, and I shall see you very shortly in a new video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.